Is that a fly? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Vegan, with me, Erin Wells, and you read that title correctly. We are making vegan Philly cheesesteaks. Let's get started. Okay guys, so I'm going to be making these Phillies with two different meats. One is going to be a mock meat using Morningstar vegan steak strips. And I'm also going to be doing a mock meat free version using marinated mushrooms. For the mushrooms, these are just portobello mushrooms that I cut up last night. I put some olive oil on them and then just went ham with the steak seasoning. That's it. Since I'm doing two different versions, guys, I gave the same recipe to both. In particular, I mean the vegetables. They both got 2 green peppers, 1 red pepper, and 1 white onion. Same recipe. All right, I'm done talking. Let's cut to the stove. Some grapeseed oil to the pan. I got a lot of vegetables, so I know it looks like a lot of oil, but it's a lot to cook. I'm gonna let that do its thing for about 5 minutes. They look exactly the same in 5 minutes, but it's okay. It's fine. We still gonna go ahead and add our onions. Alright guys, this is what we're looking like after 20 minutes. And I know what y'all saying.
Erin, that pan's too small.
I ain't gonna argue with you, you're right. But this is the biggest one I have, so we gotta work with it. So let's go ahead and add some salt and pepper. And now I'm gonna go ahead and add in our marinated mushrooms. They smell so good, it's ridiculous. I want you to get into it. Is that food porn? Alright guys, this is 20 minutes later. If you have a bigger pan, again, please use it because my stuff is kind of boiling. It's still gonna be delicious because it smells delicious. But you see all that extra water? You don't need that because it sweated out because there was not enough room in the pan. I'm going to go ahead and transfer this to the oven, guys, and just put it on 200 degrees to keep it warm because I want to go ahead and start working on our next batch of the mock meat version, which I unfortunately have to use the same amounts. To be fair, I want to use less of the veggies, but it won't be a fair flavor test if I do that. So here we go, round 2. Alright guys, this is our second round. Everything is the same as before, but now we're going to add in our steak strips. Now to be fair, I am going to add some of the same steak seasonings as the mushrooms, but because these were frozen, I couldn't add them to marinate. So we're just going to put some in here so we have the same flavor to compare. We'll give those 5 minutes to soften. Now, if you want my whole honest opinion, guys, I think the best bet, if you're not going to use mushrooms for a mock meat, I would go back to my vegan steak video and just cut those up into strips and use those. Only reason I'm going to do that is because that was a very long process that your girl just didn't want to go through. Alright guys, it is time. Oh yes, it has cooked down nicely. There's way less water in this version than the mushrooms for obvious reasons. This is a mock meat, so it didn't release as much liquid as the mushrooms did. So alright, let's build these sandwiches. For the cheese for our Philly, guys, I'm gonna be using this Via Life. I think that's how you pronounce it. It just came in Whole Foods, I think, a couple of months ago. Have not tried it, still fresh in the package, so hopefully it tastes delicious. I got official Philly rolls just for y'all because I was just gonna get hot dog buns, but I said, girl, that ain't right. Y'all know I'm using my Earth Balance. Alright, I want to try this cheese by itself without being toasted. See how we like it. That's good. What I'm gonna do in case it doesn't melt well, because we're about to find out now, is I'm actually going to melt some in the microwave right now to drizzle on top if need be. So let's do 3 slices. Dang, come out. In the microwave. Don't do a minute. Don't do that. Alright, so here is the meltability of the cheese. We're gonna try to fold it. It'll look pretty right now. We're gonna try to fold it, y'all, and hold on. Let's try to fold it. Bread burnt. Ooh. Ooh, but it's pretty. Okay, so that bread was a bust. But you saw the meltability Oh my, jeez. Okay, experiment number 2. Let's turn to that bread right there.
It ain't Chocolate Vegan Channel without mishaps, y'all. It just ain't. It just ain't.
Mayo. All right. Let's do the mushrooms over here, y'all. The Morning Star over here. And we're gonna get our 30-second cheese. Much better. Don't do 1 minute. Lord. And we're gonna put that like, oh, come on, food porn. Are y'all close enough? Y'all need to get closer. Let me get y'all closer.
Oh, yes. Now we're sexy.
Cheese, you gotta spread. Y'all know it's vegan. Don't judge us. But we still in the lab. Yeah.
Welcome to the chocolate.
I am joined here with
Slim Terror, straight from Decatur, baby.
all right, and we're going to taste these bad boys, these struggles, I still want to taste my burnt ones too because it's different. It's just hey, okay, all right, whatever.
Okay.
I like that cheese. That is actually pretty dope.
It really is.
Here's some, okay, his piece is gone.
Pretty good too.
They have mayonnaise all. I knew I did. I knew I did.
They're both good though. The first one had like, tasted like it had some type of meat in it.
Okay.
And this one I could taste like maybe mushrooms or something like that.
He got it. Yeah. So yeah, one was all mushroom, all veggies basically. For people who just wanted that steak look, I guess. And the first one you had was the mock meat. Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, I like the texture of the mock meat better. But I did like the flavor of the mushrooms better for myself. But you can still definitely taste the mushroom taste, which is what it's a mushroom or whatever.
Number 1 was better to me, but they both was amazing.
Well, you can make another one. I don't care. I got plenty. I don't know who I made. Y'all see how much I got left?
Oh, she busting out the bando.
Who was I cooking for? Who?
Your boy.
Bye, y'all. As always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below. And I'll